So this is the final result. If you think that there's some cute hairstyles out there that would work for me, comment down below and let me know what style you think I should try. And I'm thinking about dyeing my hair. Like it's a secret, but I guess I'll let y'all in. I want to I'm thinking about doing I would have to go, well, okay, let me just tell y'all. So I'm thinking about doing the streaks right here, but guess what color? I'm gonna give you a second to guess. Okay, did you guess? Okay, so I'm thinking about doing them gray or like a silver platinum me. But I also was thinking about going light dark root, but like light towards the end, like throughout here, well not throughout there, with like honey brown. I don't know, comment down below, which do you think I should get? Should I get the streaks or should I just go dark root with honey blonde? I'm not sure. Honestly, I would go all gray, but I kind of would be scared to see how it turns out. But you know, YOLO. I think I'm burning the couch. Let me unplug this. Oh, probably dangerous doing that. Luna, don't look at me like that. So this is the end of the video. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If not, you should still give it a thumbs up because it's positive. Anyway, comment down below if you want, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and press that red button. Wherever it is, I don't know where it is. I'll know where it is when you press it. So do that. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another one tomorrow for Vlogmas. Happy Friday the 13th, y'all. Stay safe. Peace. Luna, you want to say bye? Come here. Come here. Yeah, you can come close out. Better hurry up before the timer closes. Come here. Come here. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Puppy Gino.